Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows password not working if you are using Windows 11 or 10. So first you need to restart PC and check your keyboard. Simply go to start menu, go to power icon, tap on restart option. Make sure you are not turning on caps lock or numlock key. If it is yes, you need to close it, turn it off and try to use your password. And you can try to on-screen keyboard. You can see on-screen keyboard option is available in the sign in screen. So you can, if your keyboard is not properly working, you can try to on-screen keyboard. This will fix the typing issues. And the next method is you can use correct sign-in option. So in the login screen, if you forget your PIN but if remember your password, you can click on sign-in options, then select the password instead of PIN. So then after you can enter your password and you can log into your computer without any issue. So if it is not working, you can reset Microsoft account password. But if you are not using if you're not connecting your Microsoft account into your computer, you can't try this method because it should be connected with your Microsoft account. So in the login screen, you can click on forget password option. Then after you can reset your password online using your Microsoft account credentials, and then after restart your PC and try again. This will fix the sync issues. But if you're not connected with your Microsoft account, you can't try this method. So next method is you can boot into the safe mode. You need to hold the shift key and click on restart option on the sign in screen. Okay, once it is restart, you can see troubleshoot kind of button available. Tap on it, then after tap on advanced option, then after tap on startup setting. So then after there is a menu appear, press 4 to enter the safe mode. Okay, assume you are now in the safe mode. It is pretty similar to this one. So first you need to remove the recent Windows update. So first you need to go to the start menu and go to setting. Left side menu, go to Windows updates. Tap on update history option. Scroll down and tap on uninstall updates. So these are the current updates on your computer. You can see when it is installed. So you can see latest update from here. Tap on uninstall. It will uninstall the latest Windows update and it will be fix the update related login issue. So next method is you can check the system files if there is a corrupted happened. So you can go to search bar, type command prompt like this, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. So in here you need to type sfc space / scan now without spaces. Hit enter. This will scan the entire system for corrupted system files. If there is an issue, it will automatically fix. If you are still logged out, you can again in the safe mode, you can open the command prompt. You need to type net space user space administrator trator space / active double tap double colon yes and hit enter. Then restart and login as an administrator. This will fix the emergency login issue. Once you log in as administrator, go to start menu, go to setting, scroll come to the accounts in the left side menu, scroll down and go to the family and other users, tap on tap on add account option. So you can create new account. If you are like to connect it to the Microsoft, you can create using Microsoft, and if you like to keep as local, you can tap on I don't have his person sign in information kind of option. So you can create account locally. So this will fix the corrupted user profile. Okay, and the final option is you have to reset your PC. So as I previously told, when you restart your computer in the advanced mode, you can see the troubleshoot option initially. Then after you need to next method, you need to select the reset this PC option. Then it asks to do you need to keep your files or not. You need to select the keep your files option. Then after it will reset your computer without deleting your files. So these are the methods you can try to fix your issue. I hope your computer will be fixed using these methods.